How does provenance work at the Met? Imagine walking through a gallery and wondering about the story behind each piece. Provenance is like a detailed biography that traces where an artwork has been. At the Metropolitan Museum of Art, it means tracking the history of ownership for every object in their collection. This process helps confirm that each piece was acquired legally and ethically. The museum has a dedicated team that researches these histories by examining old records, auction catalogs, and dealer inventories. They look for clues about who owned the object before and how it came to the Met. Sometimes, they find gaps in the story, and they work hard to fill those in. If an object was stolen or illegally traded, the museum cooperates with authorities to return it. The Met also makes some of this information available online. They have searchable databases showing provenance details for hundreds of thousands of objects. For example, they highlight artworks that may have been displaced during the period from 1933 to 1945 in Europe, which is important for identifying looted items from World War II. The museum's research includes reviewing auction records from the early 1900s, helping to connect objects with previous owners and transactions. This work is vital for transparency and trust. It also aligns with New York State's goal of responsible cultural stewardship. The Met's efforts support public confidence and uphold New York's reputation as a hub for art and history. Provenance work at the Met helps prevent the display of stolen artifacts, supports efforts to return objects to their rightful owners, and educates visitors about the complex histories behind artworks. This ongoing process shows how committed the Met is to respecting the origins and ownership rights of the art it displays.